And an FIR has been filed against actor Kangana Ranaut and her sister Rangoli Chandel for allegedly hurting religious sentiments in her tweets. The FIR was filed on the orders of a Mumbai court, which came after casting director Sahil Saeed filed a complaint against Kangana Ranaut. Here's a complete report.
Trouble mounts for Kangana Ranaut as an FIR has been filed against the actor and her sister Rangoli Chandel. The FIR says that the actor and her sister allegedly created communal hatred and defamed Maharashtra government through their tweets. The Mumbai police will now investigate the case and will ask the actor to appear before them if needed. The FIR was filed on Mumbai court's order based on a complaint filed by casting director Sahil Saeed, who worked with Kangana in Shootout at Wadala. The complainant claims that Kangana is defaming Bollywood by calling it a hub of nepotism. Sahil further alleged that her objectionable tweets are creating a divide between Hindu and Muslim artists and accused the actor of spreading communal hatred.
तुम्हारा जो झगड़ा है, ठीक है, बीएमसी से, तो उसमें हिंदू मुस्लिम कहाँ से आ गया? हाँ, तुम सीएम के लिए इतना गलत बोलते हो, ठीक है, कभी किसी के लिए गलत बोलते हो? अरे भाई तुम्हारा जो मैटर है तुम जाके कोर्ट में लड़ो, दूसरों को क्यों घसीट रहे हो हिंदू मुस्लिम में?
Based on Sahil's complaint, the Bandra court asked Mumbai police to file FIR under sections of the IPC that deals with promoting and hurting religious sentiments. This includes IPC section 295A, intended to outrage religious feelings, IPC section 153A, promoting enmity between religious groups, IPC section 124A, attempts to bring hatred among communities. In response to court's order, Kangana's lawyer Rizwan Siddiqui refuted the charges of the actor targeting any particular community.
Unless and until there is a specific tweet where she has attacked the religion per se meaning the God or the prophet, then I can address that issue. मेरे हिसाब से अगर वो किसी बारे में बात करती हैं, वो उनका एक पर्सनल ओपिनियन है और वो अपना ओपिनियन जाहिर करती हैं जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल राइट है.
Meanwhile, a defiant Kangana in a tweet called Maharashtra government Pappu Sena after the court ordered cops to file an FIR against her. Her tweet once again ignited a war of words with the ruling Sena.
जो भी गलत बोलता है, जो भी गलत वक्त में करता है, जिसकी वजह से धार्मिक भावना किसी की भड़काई जाती है, उसके खिलाफ पुलिस को निश्चित रूप से गुना दाखिल करना ही चाहिए, क्योंकि ये राज्य घटना का अपमान है.
Though Sanjay Raut, who recently was involved in a verbal spat with the actor, chose to play it safe.
अगर कानून न्यायालय कोई कार्रवाई किसी के ऊपर करती है, तो मैं मानता हूँ कि कानून का आदर करना चाहिए, न्यायालय का आदर करना.
ट्वीट किया और न्यूज़ चैनल में कमेंट किए हिंदू कलाकार मुस्लिम कलाकार लोग को लेकर, उसको लेकर याचिका की गई थी और उस पर कोर्ट ने आदेश दिया कि इस पर FIR होना चाहिए.
कलाकार होता.
Kangana Ranaut has been very active on Twitter attacking the Maharashtra government. Now her tweets have put her in trouble with an FIR filed against her at Bandra police station. Meanwhile, the police officials said that they will be thoroughly investigate the case because the charges are very serious and whenever required, they may call Kangana or her sister Rangoli for questioning. With camera person Sachin Sawant, this is Saurav Vakhtania in Mumbai for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.